somewhere, drifting in the Milky Way.
Come on, Zoig, let's practice the bi-hour space and blues. Nah, I quit the band, Zeet. You can't quit. But you try playing in the key of B-flat with only 3 fingers. Please don't quit now. We haven't even played our first gig. I just want a normal job, maybe. Easy. You want to go back to working some long hours in some dusty crater? Well, we can be rock stars. Okay, so what's plan B then? How about we just chill out for a bit, have a break on Earth, go and see some bands, you know, get a few ideas. Martians can't play rock and roll. Cheer up, Zoig. Want a nice hot cup of iron sulfide with a marshmallow? Yeah. Zoig, look! What? Something's stuck on the windscreen wipers. Raise the pincers! Got it! It's a t-shirt! It says rudely interrupted. Where did it come from? Let's run a search on it. Okay. Ah, found them!
Rudely interrupted. Rock and roll band. Present location, Melbourne Airport. Destination, New Zealand.
Oh, big airport.
Airport. 1. For the takeoff and landing of civil aircraft. 2. Designated area on the head for arrival of hair.
But so big, I best bear I walk.
Rory Burnside, lead singer and train timetable interruption expert.
35-minute delays on the Lilydale line. That's unacceptable.
Josh Hogan, drummer and #1 consultant of the Universal Time Machine Hotline.
Please hold the line. Phil Rudd will be with you in just a moment.
The wind howls on Wellington Harbour, but the weather is about to change.
All the way from Melbourne, Australia, we are Rudely Interrupted!
High voltage conditions, rock the room!
There's a fire burning. There's a fire burning in my heart.
And it's gonna get loud.